This is the final video to fix Netflix error E114, and your account cannot be used in this location message, so you can get back to your favorite shows no matter where you are. Are you facing a frustrating situation where you try to open Netflix while traveling or moving, and a scary error box blocks your screen even though your subscription is active? This problem occurs because Netflix has updated its regional security to detect when your account is being accessed from a country or household different from where it was originally registered or paid for. Most tutorials on YouTube tell you to delete your profile or wait for weeks, which is a massive waste of time and stops you from using the service you already paid for. Here at Rexish, we know you want to relax and stream right now without any technical headaches or regional locks. I have a secret easy trick that involves using the Watch Temporarily feature combined with a quick verification code sent to your email to bypass the location block instantly. This method tells the Netflix servers that you are the legitimate owner on the move and refreshes your digital handshake without having to cancel your membership. It is the fastest way to stop the E114 loop and unlock your library while you are on vacation or at a friend's house. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these annoying streaming glitches so you can stay entertained and stress-free. This fix works for phones, tablets, and smart TVs and handles the error even if you are using a shared family plan. Once you apply this fast verification, your account will be ready for action, and that location error will vanish immediately. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing you